Howdy. Welcome to the shop. I'm Doug, and I'm super fucking tired. I had really high hopes for that last setup. I had my tripod looking over. Didn't really work out at all, so I'm just gonna try it over here. Tripod, check. Puke bucket, check. Just want to talk about this thing here, the compound. So if you didn't see my other video, most of your machining is done on 2 axes. The compound will take it to a third and go in at an angle for a tapered cut. Maybe this will film better here, I'm not sure. So this is a pretty old lathe, and a lot of times when you put things under pressure, things start to move on you. So you do have to, dare I say, put in a little extra effort into your rigidity of your setup. Being in the chuck as far as possible. This is out too far. This should be in. Only sticking out is a slight amount. This is out kind of far. You want this in as far as you can get away with. And all this will help with stability. If I was actually manufacturing a part for somebody and this thing jumped like it does every time I use it, the part would end up in the trash. I'd end up on unemployment. Okay, send in the tailstock, lock her down all the way. Let's compound. Bring it out so I have a lot of room for travel. So I'm gonna bring it all the way out basically, so I don't go to start to cut and then I'm maxed out and I only get like a half a turn. Okay, sorry, I'm probably making you guys sicker than me. Let's give it a whirl, shall we? Okay, touch off. Compound. Not sounding good. And that is due to lack of rigidity, or even a dull tool. Perhaps the angles aren't right. The tool might be a touch too high, a touch too low. Pieces look like shit. I think my tool's dull or at a bad angle. Something's not quite right with this setup. You can tell by the chip. You can tell by the chip something's is off. My tool is dull. It's in the wrong position. Something is off of my setup here. Check this out. It's not even touching the center right now. I don't know. I must have pushed it in. Something just doesn't feel right. I've got this set up all wrong. And there you have it. An idiot using the compound. Gotta practice. I made a piece the other day. It came out so good. My coworker called it Satan's butt plug, but with a little practice, you can make some pretty amazing stuff. I made this on Friday before the quart of vodka on Sunday. Anyway, thank you. I'm gonna do something better. That was awful. Sorry, boys, girls. Have a good one.